So you have a course or online teaching program and it is not selling, even though you are solving real problems inside it. So what is happening here? Let's discuss this over this video, and let's call this video problems validation. Let me start by saying, in the era of information overload, in the era of AI, solving problems inside your course is not enough. Doing problem solution fit is not enough. Before you even provide the solution as a lesson inside your course, you need to go to the very beginning and make sure that that problem is worth solving at the first place. So have you validate each problem in your course before you even provide the solution for it? If you haven't, this is the reason we created this video. Let me use this analogy, and I say each puzzle is a problem that we know how to solve. Okay, so let me solve this problem. Here we go. So now I know how to solve this problem. So Khalid, if I know how to solve that problem, should I go and list it as a lesson inside my course? The answer is no. Before we list it, we need to make sure that this problem is valid. But before we even validate that, I'm gonna ask you to go and list 100 of them. Now you might say, Khalid, I don't know 100 problems that I can solve. Actually, you do. Okay, I'm gonna help you how to do that. Let's divide them to three categories. The first category is mindset problems. The second category, let me switch to the other camera. Here we go. So this is a mindset problems. Now, this is journey problems. And this is technical problems. So I'm going to ask you to give me 35 mindset problems, 35 journey problems that you can solve, and 35 technical problems that you can solve in your own niche. Let's go back here. And now, please go ahead, stop this video, list them, and come back. We'll come back. Here we go. I'm going to say that you already did the homework. Here we go. Let's go and validate this one. So how do we validate this one problem before we move to the other problems? We go one level up. We upgrade this one by make sure, is it a pain point or not? So what is a pain point? This is a pain point. It's a silver edition. It's cool, isn't it? Here we go. So what is the criteria of pain point? We go to our clients online and we see how many of these problems. The first criteria, how many of them they are facing it right now. This is criteria number one. Criteria number two, how many of these problems that they are facing right now, they don't have alternative solutions for them, or their current alternative solutions are not enough. Now that is a pain point. So wait a second, Khalid. Are you asking me right now to go and ask people online? Yes. Wait. Don't go. Come on. Don't switch to another video. I know it's hard. I know it takes too long. I know. Wait a second. Wait a second. Don't go. Just wait a second. Bear with me. Okay. I know I have done it before, and I know that it take weeks for them. You might say right now, Khalid, I tried it before. It took me week for them to come back and answer the question. I asked them. I tried to validate in different groups online, but they don't respond back, or they go side topic, or the admin is so protective and they kicked me out of the group, even though I told them I'm not selling, I'm just really trying to validate my lessons, but they didn't believe that and they kicked me out of the group. I know that. I promise you, there is a dashboard service that can do all of this for you under 5 minutes, and that's all of the validation, and go online and find your people online, and all you have to do is quantitative research of how many people are raising their hand and they are saying, yes, I am facing this problem right now, and I don't have alternative solutions for it, or my current alternative solutions are not enough or not efficient enough. So let's say that out of all of these 100 problems, you were able to validate 30 pain points. Okay? Now, Khalid, should I go and make lesson about these pain points and provide the solution? No, not yet. We need to do another level of validation, and where basically we do the second upgrade and we go to the gold edition. Who doesn't love gold? Here we go. So what is the gold criteria? This is a pain point worth solving. So how do we know that from these 30, how many of them they are worth solving, pain point worth solving? We need to go to the market, to our competitors and we see how many of these pain points already been solved. People are voting for it with their wallet and they said, yes, we are willing to pay for that pain point, to have the solution for that pain point, and we are willing to pay for it. Now, Khalid, are you asking me to go and conduct competitor analysis? Yes. Wait, come on, don't go. I know. Just bear with me to the end of this video. I know that you might say, Khalid, last time I did a competitor analysis, it took me a full week to do a thrilled competitor analysis to my top competitor. And maybe it took you maybe like another 3 days to do the second competitor. I know, it's long, but I promise you there is another dashboard service that can do that, all of that for you, and go to all of the competitors in the market and provide you the answers under 5 minutes. Again, we are not like this video is not about talking about any solution or any service. We are going to talk and focus on the strategy itself in this video. And we talk about the services and the dashboard services in another video. Now let's keep going with this strategy. Now, let me just switch to the second view. This is a problem that we know how to solve. And now we validate the first level of validation. We make sure it's a pain point. And the pain point criteria is basically a problem where people raise their hand and they said, we don't have alternative solution or our alternative solution is not enough. Now we go from a pain point, we have list of 30, we go and we see the second level of validation and we see how many of them already purchase it in the market from our competitors, which have buying power behind it, right? And this is a pain point worth solving. And I promise you, if you stack your course with enough pain points worth solving, let's say you validate from these 30, you validate 10. Now you go to the course and you provide solutions for these 10. Make sense right now? If you stack your course with enough pain points worth solving, you are going to have a sellable course. The data showed us that. It's hard driven data. People confirmed it and buying power behind it, right? Now you are going to worry less about the marketing. You are going to worry less about the sales because your course is sellable course. This is the difference between just providing general solutions because you know you can solve it, or validating each problem and only provide solutions for problems that worth solving. Let's chat about this and like after this video. I would love to hear your opinion about it. And then we talk about dashboard services that can automate all of that for you. I would love to hear back from you about this. That's it for me for this video. This is Khalid Farouk Hayek signing off, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.